Hi everyone, welcome to my mukbang show. So today we will have Domino pizza. I got this veggie delight pizza with this camembert cheese sauce, and then I get the prawns on top for extra, and then I get the side dish, the chicken lollipop, and I believe this one is new on the menu. And finally, very excited about this, I got the dessert samplers box. So you got the brownie, the Dutch pancakes, and then this one is churros, and the chocolate sauce as well. So let's get started because I'm starving right now. I have only like small breakfast in the morning, just so I can film this video now for you guys. What should we start first? I think I'm gonna try the chicken lollipop because I never tried them before. It smells so delicious. I think this one is like chicken drumstick, and I got the buffalo hot sauce on top. But it's not spicy, I don't think so. I just say it's not spicy, and now it's starting getting a bit warmer on my tongue. So for you guys who can eat hot and spicy food, maybe you have to be a little bit careful with this. Sorry but if I look messy when I'm eating. Normally when outside, when I eat with someone, or I just eat by myself, I don't talk. And now for in this video I have to eat and talk at the same time, so it may look a little bit messy to you guys. Forgot to show you guys the food. Hopefully we get focus. I don't know. Mom. This is so good. So today is Saturday here, and today is my cheat day. So normally during the week I will try to eat as healthy as I can. I will do some meal preps because I will be busy at work, so I won't have much time to prepare my food. So normally I will prepare for the whole week healthy food, and then at the weekend I just binge. Have to try this, so good. Sometimes I just look over there to check if I'm in focus, so please forgive me. Oh, and this one I pay $5.95 I believe, and you get four lollipop chicken, and here's the pizza. how good it looks. Oh, for any of you guys are vegetarian out there, you can just get this one without the prawns, but I put the extra prawn in here because I love prawns. So if you don't want any meat or seafood at all, then you can just order the veggie delight by itself with the cheese sauce. This is so uncomfortable because I'm sitting on the floor and eating with you guys right now. Normally I will sit on my couch or in bed. So let's try the pizza. Focus, focus. Yes. So good. After eating it, I think I will gain a ton of weight, and then my skin will cover with pimples, but I don't really care because they taste so good. I'm sorry if you guys are vegetarian or vegan out there. This is so good. Wish you can try with me right now. I always watch the other YouTubers who do a mukbang show and that, and I think this is a really fun idea. Just sitting here eating with the camera, or you guys. Drop it on my dress. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly because I'm filming with my camera without the microphone. So hopefully you can hear me, what I'm saying. Switching my legs. A bit awkward to sit on the floor. So good. Everyone loves Domino pizza. It was so busy when I went to the store to pick it up. but I ordered this online and they were ready very quick in the store for pickup. This is high carb, high protein, high fat meal, but that's okay because they taste so good. I'm not gonna smile to the camera because I might have food sticking into my teeth. I don't know how messy I am looking right now because it's hard to check myself from that little screen from the camera. So forgive me if I look too messy to you guys. Hope everyone had a good week. Mine was pretty busy, just working. Nothing excited. Pizza does fill me up though. I think it's all the carb from the dough. Another one. When I ordered this, they didn't give you the options where you can pick up what type of crust or what size you want to get. So I think they have only like one size and then only one sort of crust, and excuse me, it's in square shape, not round like the original one. Leg is hurting again. Oh, so good. I don't know where to set up like a good background for you guys because everywhere is so messy, so I have to sit on the floor and Oh, and I didn't get any drink with this. I forgot. Because I don't drink lots of soft drinks normally, just water. So normally I don't really order drinks. I was gonna film a McDonald's video, but I haven't had Domino pizza for a while, so I thought, oh, nah, I'm gonna film the pizza. I try to not make as much noise while I'm eating. The weather is very cool outside today, so my dog's probably sitting outside or playing around out there. Otherwise, they would come here and annoy me by now. Half and half left. Getting a little bit full, but that's okay. The chicken again. Chicken lollipop. That's a cool name. Lollipop. Yes. I don't think I'm a very loud eater. My little sister, she eats very loud, but because she really enjoy her food. I love food so much. If anyone ever feed me, I would love that person for life. Because I love food so much. There's the brown. I don't want to make this video for too long, so after this piece we probably move on to the dessert. Now Silver, my dog. My dogs are pretty good. Oh, and you have the halloumi cheese on here as well. Yeah, while I'm talking. My dogs are pretty good. Normally when I'm eating, they don't really like beg, sitting there and beg for food. Sometimes they do. Sometimes when they don't eat their food, then they just if they see me eating something, then they will just like staring at me, but not really like sitting there and, you know, begging for food. It's dry season up here now, and I got bitten by so many mozzies and they pissed me off. Is any of you like get bitten by the mozzie like easily like me? Because normally like when I'm going out with my friends or my partner, they don't really get bitten by mozzie that much, but just me, like they just all come to me, and then I will get really like swollen and red the next day, and it's really like itchy. It's really like itchy. Dessert. Let me just move this aside. So here the dessert. Oh. Hopefully this will focus and you guys can see it properly. I don't know. First time I filmed a video with this camera, so please bear with me. I'm gonna get some tissue. Be right back. Well, forgot to get tissue, so I have to use toilet paper instead. So classy. So, chocolate sauce. Ooh-wee. Oh no! Sorry, I'm so clumsy. Such a mess. Oh. Why? I'm just trying to show you guys how good the sauce is, that's why. Oh no. Now my finger all sticky. I can see. So, try the pancake. They're so cute. I'm not a really big fan of this pancake, but sometimes I think they're just cute and fun to eat. Dip it in the sauce. Not bad at all. I'm gonna try the churros next up. It's so good. I tried last time and they're so good. So crunchy. Dip it in the sauce. I see everyone eating and dancing and how happy they are. Make me happy as well. So I'm just gonna do the dance. Ooh, 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 ooh. Food flying everywhere. Spilling and flying everywhere. Sorry, my legs. I tried to dress up and did some shooting, some photo shooting for my Instagram account. It's for my Instagram, and now I look like a hot mess. I just feel so good to be able to share all this good food with everyone. Brownie, nice and warm, gooey. Dip in the sauce.